So you want to know which way a component is facing. That's get forward vector. Now we use this node in all of our tutorials, but today we will try to understand or better understand how it actually works and why do we use it. Now it translates rotation into direction vector. Without it, you can't move or fire in the correct direction, a current facing direction. And right now we have two of these nodes on our screen, one with the get actor forward vector and the second one is get forward vector, which is targeting the scene component. Now get this node, just right click and type in get forward vector and you will have all the available options from which you can choose if you want to get the forward vector of the actor or a particular scene component, whether it's cube 1, cube or default scene root, and for you it might be totally different. But yes, this is how you get this node. And for now, let's just remove all of this because we have an example prepared where we better understand how it actually works. For that, we are taking an execution pin from event take and then adding a delay of 5 seconds, and then we are adding it to add actor world offset. What this will do is it will actually move the actor based on the facing direction. Now as you can see on the screen, we are getting the actor's forward vector, then we know where the actor is actually facing. But after that, we have to specify the distance it need to move. So we are multiplying that with 500 because we want to move it to 500 unreal units in the facing direction of that. And now we just specified the delta location and we will leave sweep and teleport as is. You can definitely experiment with it as you like, but for now let's just compile the code and let's just reduce the delay second to 2.5 seconds so it can move a bit fast and we don't get bored. Let's just compile the code, and as we press the event begin play, you can see on the screen every 2.5 seconds it's moving in the facing direction of the actor, the get forward vector. Now it's essential for projectile spawning, character movement or AI navigation, so it's a super useful node. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.